Hi everyone, welcome to our last video series using the ArcGIS Field Maps. Today we'll be looking at how to use the ArcGIS Field Map application itself for data collection on the field. Remember that in our last video we talked about how to configure maps for field data collection, so I'm referring you back to that last video for a step-by-step approach for you to get to this level. Today we'll be setting up parameters in the field map application for online and offline data collection in case your field workers are on the field and they are in a place where there is no internet access for them to capture the information. Also, we'll be downloading offline maps on our field map, and also lastly we will have a view of our database after capturing the information on the field. So this is a view of our field map application which was configured the last time. The last time we didn't set a thumbnail for our picture, so this is a picture that we are setting now, so that whenever our field workers can be able to identify them with just a glance. Okay, so also last time we talked about how to configure our offline. So in our content you have to synchronize all the layers that you have there so that they can be configured for offline data capturing. Now, with the last time we didn't talk about some of these features, which is features and attachment delivery. So we have the editable features and the read-only features. For the editable features, if you turn this off, that means your device will not download and get updates to features and attachment. But if you turn it on, you can turn either of the one that is applicable for your workflow. So now what I will do is to turn on the device to download and get updates to features and attachment. So that means that when I use my field maps application offline, I'll be able to download and get updates to features and attachments. The device will download and get features, updates and attachment. All right. Okay. Also, you can set some of your accuracy. You can set the accuracy level of your device from here. This is automatically on 10 meters. You can decide to increase or reduce it if you like. Let me put 50 meters here. 50 meters accuracy. You can enable GPS averaging. You can set your upload size, your picture upload size. I'm setting it to medium. You can snap and so on. So let me save this. So let us have a view of how our application will look like on the field maps application itself. All right. So now we have a view of how our facility assessment maps look like on our field map application. So this is our facility assessment. Remember that we configured our app to be able to add offline map. So I want to open this map without the offline area first. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So this is my position. This is where I am right now. Now I want to collect information about where I am now. Name of field worker. Just no. Date of capture. Facility, water tank. Now remember that we had a conditional statement in our field map clarification that time. We said if the condition of facility is bad, it should bring out damage assessment information. So level of damage, you can say severe, and we can decide to add notes here. Damage and it's urgent repair. Okay, so we can decide to also, let me take the point, we can decide to take photo or add an attachment. If we take photo, so this is the camera, this is the camera. So now I have submitted this report. Okay, let me go back to the offline mode now. Assuming your field worker is in a place where there's no network. So what can be done is, before the person enters that area, he or she needs to have an offline area. That is an area which the person will be capturing that information from. Okay, so I can decide to add an offline area, around this side. Okay, so just download the area. The size of the area will determine the size of the map that is to be downloaded. Now it's downloading. Alright, so we have the area downloaded now. So we can see on the main view that the facility assessment map has an offline area. So for us to use the offline area, I will have to turn off my internet so that we can see how this will work. So this is my offline area. So we can see this is the offline area. What we can see here is that the other areas that are not within the offline reach is shown as the dark area. So right now this is my offline area, and I can decide to maneuver to that place and capture my information. Right, so I have it here. So right now I can set this name of field worker James, date of capture, type of facility, pump station. This is good. So you can take picture. Okay, then I can send this in progress. Alright, I've captured this information now. Now let us go back and synchronize this data set. So we can see that we have one local edit here. So let me turn on back my internet. Now my internet is on. My internet is on now. What I can do is to just sync. Okay. So right now we have the synchronization. Okay, so this information has been synced to our database. What I can do now is to check my database and see if really this information is being captured. Alright, so we see this is the information for James which have been captured here. The pump station, the code, and other attributes that has been filled in. And see, this is the picture that we also captured during our data capturing. Alright, so now we have come to the end of our series on how to use ArcGIS Field application for data capturing. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. So I want you to stay in tune for our next video session, and please make sure you subscribe on our channel. Thank you.